Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back. How are you guys? I hope you are well. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for leaving me a thumbs up. And shout out to those always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance to the music, make sure you have the steps together. I'll post that video at the end. So this dance, I'm going to teach you guys. I'm uploading this video for the second time. So I want to let y'all guys know what happened to me. The name of this dance is called Deja Vu. Okay, I uploaded it last week and somebody texted me and said, Linda, your video, your demo, and your instructional is contradicting each other. So I'm not going to say the name of the person, but when I tell you, I felt so loved that she caught the mistake. And I want to tell you, thank you so much for catching that. I appreciate you so much. That was love to me. Also, I want to give a shout out to my friend. You know who you are. She always watches my video and she always catches my mistakes. So if I spell something wrong or whatever, she always send me a text message. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. My job is always to keep you moving in the same direction, the right direction, and on the right foot. So if you ever see something where I misstep or I mistaught something, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much. That was so much love. I appreciate you. So the name of the dance is called Deja Vu. And I got the steps right this time. Let's go, guys. So it's a four-wall dance that moves clockwise. So our next wall is going to be to our right, okay? So you're going to start with a step drag on the right, triple step, right, left, triple step, then left, right, triple step, and be moving it forward. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So we're going to stay here and we're going to do a tap, lift, or a kick, okay? 5, 6, 7, move it up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Tap on the right and lift, tap on the left and lift. And we're going to move back because that step moved us forward, okay? And we're going to swirl back, right, left, right, left. So right, left, right, left. So we swirl back 4 times, and we actually moving back to where we came from. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Tap, lift, swirl. Right, left, left. Now, right after you do this step here, you're going to move back up. Step up right, step up left, and rock for 4. Right, left, left. Again, so as soon as we move back, we're going right back up. Right, tap left, left, tap right, and right, left. Rocking for 4. Right, left. Okay? So let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7. Step drag. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Tap, lift, swirl. Right, left, step. Right, tap, left, step, left, tap, right, rock, right, left. Now, while you're rocking it out, rock it one more time. We're going to go side rock, recover, shuffle across, okay? So rock out again, right out, recover, right, left, right. And you shuffle across, moving diagonal. So you rock right, left. That was 4 times. Then rock again, rock out, recover, shuffle, right, left, right. Okay, so let's put that together. Step drag, On the right and the left, moving up, we stay here. We do a tap, lift, and we swirl it back. Right, left, and that step up on your right, step up on your left, and you move you back forward. And you rock right, left, and 4 times, we rock out for the 5th time, rock out, recover, shuffle, right, left, right. And that step move diagonal, okay? And the next step is gonna move us, take us to our next wall, okay? We're gonna do a 3/4 turn and go to our next wall, which is on the right. To our right shoulder with the left shoulder coming back. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and. Did I tell y'all the name of this dance? I'm sorry, Deja Vu. If I forgot, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right, left, left. Tap, lift, swirl. Right, left. Up, right, and left. Rock 4. Right, left. Side rock, recover, right. Okay? From here, you rock up, recover. So you go forward on that left. Rock up, recover, turn back, left to our next wall. 3/4 turn. So we right here. 3/4 turn, left, right, left. Left shoulder come back. The last step was on your left leg. So don't be lazy with your footwork. You're gonna have to do a triple step when you turn back with that left shoulder. Okay, don't spin around, step around. 5, side rock, recover. Right, left, triple, shuffle across. Right, left, rock up, then recover, back, left. So remember, you gotta go rock up on that left, recover, then come back, okay? Side rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, and side rock, recover, right, rock up, recover, back, left. And this is our next wall. The last step is on the left. You're going to move forward. Right, left, left. Tap, lift, swirl. Right, left. Move back up, right, and left. Rock the 4. Right, left. Rock out. Rock, recover, shuffle. Right, rock up, recover, back, left. And our next wall is here. And you continue moving around the wall, okay? Clockwise. It's called a Deja Vu. I want to thank you again. Thank the lady again. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not going to say her name, but thank you again for catching my error. I appreciate you. Also, my sister, you know who you are. Thank you for always looking out for me. I appreciate y'all guys so much. I feel loved. So that is Deja Vu. Make sure you check out the video. And I got an exciting announcement coming up soon. So my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.